Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Natalie. This is a YouTube channel dedicated to WordPress tutorials, web design, Canva tutorials, among other tools that help small business owners like you. Let's get started. So I tested Canva's alt text feature for PDFs with real screen readers on Windows, and I'm going to show you exactly what happens and what doesn't. Then I will show you how I actually use these PDFs inside WordPress and Bricks in a way that makes sense for real users. Canva has a built-in design accessibility checker that helps you find issues like poor color contrast, missing alt text for images, and small font sizes. Step number 1, open your Canva design. I'm using a lead magnet PDF here, but this works for any design. Step number 2, right-click on any image in your design. Select alternative text from the menu that appears, and then write a descriptive alt text in the box. And now here's the key. Describe what the image shows, not what it means. For example, don't write image of website, that's too vague. Instead, write screenshot of WordPress dashboard showing Bricks Builder interface with navigation menu on left side. See the difference? Be specific and descriptive. Now, do this for every single image in your design. Yes, it takes a few minutes, but your users will thank you. Before we export, let's make sure we didn't miss anything. Click on the File menu and select Check Design Accessibility. Canva will scan your entire design and show you any images that are missing alt text. And look at this, it's checking every element. If you missed any images, they will show up here in red. And so you just need to fix any issues it finds, then you are ready to export. And notice how the accessibility checker now shows passed with the green check mark. That's exactly what we want to see. Now click download and export as PDF. Make sure you select standard PDF to preserve the alt text. Now when you upload this PDF file to WordPress, the alt text travels with it automatically. So go to your media library, upload the PDF like you normally would. When you click on the PDF to preview it, the alt text is embedded in the file, and this means screen readers can now describe your images to visually impaired users. Search engines can index your PDF content better, giving you a SEO boost. And this works for everything: lead magnets, portfolios, client proposals, course materials, any PDF you create in Canva. So after testing this with the Windows narrator feature and the real screen reader is my honest conclusion. Canva's alt text tool and accessibility checks are a good starting point. They help you think about structure and descriptions. But in my tests, the alt text inside this PDF was not reliably announced by the screen reader. So Canva is a good start. Always verify with the screen reader. In conclusion, I don't rely on Canva's green check marks. I use Canva to design and structure the PDF, and then I make the way people open that PDF as clear and accessible as possible in WordPress and Bricks. Here's how I connect this PDF on my WordPress website. First, in WordPress, I open the media library, click on the PDF, and I copy the file URL. And this is the direct link to the PDF file on the site. Then in Bricks, I had a button element where I want people to access the PDF. So I had a button element, I select button, And then on the link settings, I choose external URL and I paste here the PDF file I copied from WordPress. And if you want, you can also set it to open in a new tab. And for accessibility, I make the button text very clear. For example, download Instagram PDF guide. So in this workflow, we have a structured PDF designed in Canva, a direct link from WordPress, and a clear keyboard focusable in bricks. And we test the result with a real screen reader. So the takeaway is this: use Canva as a helpful starting point. Always test your PDFs with the screen reader and then make the link in WordPress and bricks as clear as possible for real humans. If you like honest, real-world tests like these for WordPress, bricks and Canva, hit subscribe and tell me in the comments what you want me to test next. See you next time. Bye bye!